Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix our Ahmed.tv app camera not working on iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to settings, scroll down a bit until you see a screen time, press on it. Then you need to go to a content and privacy restrictions. If it's disabled, you're good to go. But if you have this enabled, then you need to make sure that allowed apps and features camera is turned on. After that, go to the main settings screen and then scroll down until you see privacy and security. Then here you need to look for camera. Look for camera here. And then here make sure that Ahmed TV, if you have it here, is enabled as well. Another thing that this do not work, you can do is to go to general. Then you need to scroll down a bit until you see transfer or reset iPhone. Press reset and reset all settings. Don't worry, your personal data will not be deleted here. Only the settings on iPhone will be reset to default. And if this did not work, then go back. Then go to on this screen, go to iPhone storage. Then you need to find Ahmed.tv app. And once you found it, then you click on it and press offload app, right? Just press reinstall app. Then wait until it will be reinstalled and it should work now. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like.